Welcome. If you want to use AdBlock in your Motorola One Macro, I recommend you to go for the Play Store and get Opera Mini Browser. And right now I'm gonna show you how it works. They got partnership with the AdBlock Plus, so we don't have to connect any external application to your browser. Just let me show you. And for example, we can enter this website. And as you can see, we got here the notifications that the first ads were blocked. So right now, when we scroll down the page, we cannot find here any ads. So as you can see, it's really cool. I hope they'll help you. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.